So these are create your own pom pom animals. These are turtles, and you can make 3 of them.
It's a craft kit, right?
Yeah, it's a craft with pom poms, googly eyes, and the vanity sticks. Okay, so let's open them.
Let's start.
Trace it. And then cut around to get the body. Hi. So we're gonna be making a turtle, and we're making the legs, which is the first part. You make the legs like that. You poke it through the thing, then you start.
It's art and craft straws, right?
Yeah, these are arts and crafts straws. You use those. That's what you're
These
gonna
are straw in different colors, right?
Yeah.
Available, yeah.
And you make legs like that.
Okay.
And you make it all around.
Legs like this, right?
Yeah.
Just okay.
I only have like one more leg left.
Okay. You already made 3?
Yeah.
3 of them?
This is how they're gonna look like.
Okay.
And done. The next step, you're supposed to get a head and then glue it on.
Okay, glue.
Using a glue gun, you just Okay, so now we put on the eyes with the head on already. So next you put on these little pom-poms that are green. And this, what we're trying to make right now is the tortoise shell. And yeah, that's it. This is the finished product. This is the finished product. The best one.
Small?
Tortoise. It kind of looks like it's stopping.
Yeah, baby turtle, right? With the pom-poms.
Trace it. And then cut around to get the body. And you put it through there. You roll it using your finger around it. Like that.
For legs.
Yeah. You use a hot glue, any type of glue, to stick the pom-poms onto the turtle back for the shell that it hides in. And then save a spot for the head, so you put on the pom-pom head, and then you can make a turtle. Now use this type of color pom-pom and glue it on to make the head of the turtle. Then glue on the googly eyes. Glue on 2 sets of googly eyes, and they have to be smaller than the head. Now you have your finished turtle.